Alright, so we have 4 examples here. I'm going to show you guys how to solve these. We have 100 data points. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. 2 to the power of 7 is 128. 2 to the power of 7 is the first one that's greater than 100, so we know our k is equal to 7. The formula for our class interval is just max minus min over k. In this case, 505 minus 55 over 7, which is equal to 65.71. Okay, when rounding up numbers, you want to think about how to properly round up these numbers. Now, I could round this up to 66, or I could round it up to 70. Thinking about which one is better, if I drew a graph here, which is the eventual goal, okay, and if I want to increase my x scales, would it be easier to increase this by 66 every time or 70? Well, the answer is 70 because the multiples are a lot easier and it looks a lot neater as well. So the whole point of rounding up over here is you want to round it up to a nice even number that would look good on your scales. In this case, it would be hard for me to get the later multiple, so basically I'm going to round this up to 70. Again, 66 would not be a wrong answer, but 70 is going to be a lot better.